Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to do a review of the Boker Masada. It's a folder, liner lock. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Alright, we'll start off with the basics. We'll do specs on it. The total length is 8.9 inches overall. Blade length is a good long 3.7 inches. The weight is 5.8 ounces. The blade is a like a stone washed D2 steel, so it should be very resistant to scratches. Hard to notice them if you do get a few. This blade is meant for use. G10 handle, contoured in several places, which we'll get to in a few seconds. It's a manual flipper. It has a lanyard hole, which doubles as a glass break. Pocket clip is deep carry. It is also reversible. You remove the two screws here and flip this from side to side. It is a tip-up carry. It has a ball bearings for its opening. Obviously, it's a flipper. Opens pretty smoothly, closes pretty smoothly. It has stainless steel liners. The contoured handle is reminiscent of the Broas Enforcer, so it fits your hand. I have pretty good sized hands, and my hand fits in there 2 and 2 really easily. Enables you to get a good grip. If you notice at the top here, there's a place for if you want to cut smaller stuff for more control. That's enough about the specs. We'll go ahead and show you how this item cuts. We'll start off with paracord. Just make a little loop here and we'll just slide it down. One more time. So it cuts pretty smoothly. We'll cut some craft material here, this little thin rope. That was pretty easy. As you assume, this knife retails at about $132, but we sell it for, I believe, $99. And for a $100 knife, D2 steel blade, Boker, it's going to do pretty much everything that you need it to do. We'll cut some of this thicker material here. You see it cuts it really easily. So we'll go ahead and wrap this up. For you guys that this is the Boker Masada. It was also, I forgot to tell you, designed by Boker Masada. So for you guys following on IG, make sure you hit the like button and follow us at Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you ring the bell. Comments, we appreciate those. And subscribe to us at Atlantic Knife. And with that, I am C, and I am signing off.